Okay. Number 3. Which of the following officials is elected by a national vote in the Philippines? So, ano sa tingin ninyo ang binoboto ng buong Pilipinas? Is it A, barangay captain, B, senator, C, punong barangay, D, vice mayor? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So, the answer here is letter B, the senator. Ano po? Now, even though ang mga congressmen ay part ng legislative department, hindi rin sila ine-elect sa national elections. Ano po? They are elected by the district that they represent. Okay? However, in terms of the party list system, buong bansa ang bumoboto para sa kanila. Pero isa lang ang ibobotong party list, okay, ng bawat botante.